There you go. All right, it's that simple. And it even came up with the design as well. All right. So how cool is that? You can literally charge hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Hey everyone. So first of all, Merry Christmas. All right. I hope everybody's having a good time with their friends and family and you're enjoying the day. And so in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to add an AI chat bot to our website. So this is going to be a continuation to a previous video on how to build a website in under 10 minutes. I go through how to create a website for your own business or for a client. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to add more functionalities to it. So if you haven't seen that video yet, just go ahead and look through my playlist or my list of videos and check them out. I'm going to continue pushing out content to help you learn how to utilize AI and all the tools so you could get better with your skills and you could sell it as a service or you could build and improve your own business with. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so we're here. This is a website that we just vibe coded, all right? And again, if you haven't seen the video, go ahead and check it out. It's going to be in my playlist, but we created this website in literally 3 minutes. And so we vibe coded this website. It's a demo website that I might actually use for my own business. I do have an agency where I have clients and I build out automations and AI voice agents for. And so we have a quick run through here. Everything's all good with the prompt as well. Everything's all good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add a functionality where users can chat with a chatbot. All right, so we're gonna do this quick. There's gonna be no fluff. I don't even know how to do fancy edits, but I do know how to utilize AI and the capabilities. And so let's go ahead and prompt Lovable. Hey, can you add in a AI chatbot to the lower, let's do right hand corner so users can interact with an AI chat bot. Make sure to add in a nice icon so the users know that there's the feature. Okay, let's see what it creates. All right, I'm just gonna move this here. Okay. So the cool part about Lovable is that they have a cloud feature now. So you could use their LLM if you want to. Now, you have two choices here. We're going to enable cloud, but also what I'm going to do is show you how to connect this to an NAN backend workflow. So what we'll do in this video is we'll show you how to do it all in Lovable. And in the next video, if you want me to show you how to connect it to an NAN backend workflow, just let me know in the comments section and I'll go ahead and create that video for you. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go allow, and then it's going to automatically create everything on Lovable. So everything's going to be hosted on the cloud. Okay, so it's all complete now. So let's check it out and see how it works. So on the lower right hand corner, we have this icon here. So let's go ahead and click. Okay, awesome. All right, let's see. Hi, can you help me? See what it does. There you go. All right. So what services do you do? There you go. All right, it's that simple. And it even came up with the design as well. All right. So how cool is that? You can literally charge hundreds, even thousands of dollars to do a full AI website build for clients. And this could be for any industry. So let's go ahead and do this. This is a pretty cool icon. Um, can you help with automations? Okay, awesome. Now, the thing about using the Lovable LLM is that, of course, you don't have all the control that you want in terms of creating the style, the prompt, and how the AI agent should act. And so, what I'll do in the next video is we'll go ahead and show you how to do the full AI chatbot via NAN webhooks. So, just a quick overview. So, you could go ahead and add a first step here. You do a webhook, and then you take this webhook, you put it in here, and what it'll do is when you send a message, it will send the data payload to the NAN workflow, and then you could create an AI agent here. You do define below, and then you do the prompt, and then you could add in the chat model, the tools, and then you could add in the system message as well. So this is where you could really have full control on how the AI agent on your website should act. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to do that in the next video or the video after that. Just let me know if you're interested in that kind of content. So it's pretty simple in terms of adding a AI chatbot via Lovable Cloud. We did this in literally under a minute, right? But you could always build off of this. All right. So if you have any questions, if you need help with anything, just let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. I'm going to continue pushing out content, just breaking down everything with Lovable, NAN, even retail AI for voice agents, just everything. And the intention here is to help, right? I want to help you so you can start making money, you can start bringing on clients, and you can start making some reoccurring revenue and pay it forward, teach other people, bring other people on, and start teaching them so they can learn as well. So, Merry Christmas again. It was a short but very impactful video. I'm even wearing green and my mic is red. So, very festive. All right. So, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.